You search for how to buy shares of KELYB Services, Inc. KELYB Services is a staffing and workforce solutions company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KELYB, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KELYB to find the listing. Confirm you have selected the KELYB Services entry that trades on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the buy order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example broker is in the description below if you want to learn more.